Another Pythagorean Theorem question here with number 87. It says Sophia used an 8-foot rope to secure a 6-foot tent pole as shown. So here's the right triangle. You're looking at this kind of on an angle, but this is the right triangle here. This is 90 degrees. Let's call this X. This is what we want to figure out. Approximately how far from the base of the pole is the rope tied. So the rope is tied right there. How far is that from the base? We can use the Pythagorean theorem to set up an equation. So we've got x squared plus 6 squared. That would be my leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. This is x squared, this is 36, and this is 64. If I subtract 36 from both sides, that would cancel out there and there. And this is x squared equals, this looks like it's 28. Now this is saying approximately how far from the base is the rope tied. If we took the square root of both sides, square roots and squares would cancel. I'd have x is the square root of 28. That's not a perfect square. However, I know the square root of 25 is 5, and I know the square root of 36 is 6. 28 looks like it's going to be a little bit closer here to the square root of 25 than the square root of 36. It's in that range though, so the square root of 28 is in this range, so it's, I'd say, closest to 5 feet. Clear from our answer choices that these other ones are going to be too big. 8 is supposed to be the hypotenuse, so it could not be C or D. These are the only two choices that would make any sense, considering the hypotenuse has to be the biggest. And considering that square root of 28 falls between 5 and 6, we know that choice A would be our best choice.